So with the very first example, we will try to open a file in a read mode. Okay, so I'm going to write a code. For example, uh, we create a variable. First, for example, create a function, and I will give it name file handling. File handling. Okay. Now I will use open function. OPEN open function. Remember, open is a function in which we give two parameters. One is a file name. So my file name is, for example, abc dot txt. Okay, this is the file name. I'm going to open. And what the mode I will select? I will select it in R mode. R for read mode. That means whatever the content is written in abc dot txt file, I'm going to read that content. Okay, and as you know that open function return me a file pointer, so I will treat as file pointer as fp is a file pointer, a variable, just a variable which is treated as a cursor. This thing I already told you in my previous class. Okay, now because fp is a cursor or a file pointer, and there is a one function called read. Fp dot read, fp dot read function will return me all the data which is written in a abc.txt file. Okay, so and we will save this in some variable. For example, message is my name of a variable, and then I will print the message. Okay, very simple example, then I will print the message. Okay, and let's try to run the program and observe what will happen, because abc.txt is file exist or not, I don't know. So let's run the program and check that. Look what the error we are getting. We are getting no such file or directory exists called abc.txt. Whatever the file we are going to open in a read mode. Remember, if you are going to open a file in a read mode and file does not exist, read mode does not create that file. Okay, it will give you error, point to be noted. So let me go to the location. This is the location where we are running all the program. So I just copy paste this location, and let me create a file. Okay, we will create a notepad file. For example, I'm text.document. File name is abc.txt. Okay, I created a file in front of you. I will open the file. I will open the file. File open. So I will write hello students. This is Python. For example, I write these two statement. Okay, hello student. This is Python. So I just save the file. This is a normal simple file written in a English characters, so we can say it's a text file. Okay, now if I will go to the my program again, now because abc.txt file exists, I just created. So what will happen now? Open function, open this file abc.txt in a read mode,
Sir,
and open this file in a read mode and give you a file pointer. Okay, file pointer is just a cursor kind of a thing, there is a one method available in a file handling called read. Read method is a special method that will read the entire content of a file. File को पूरा पढ़ेगा and सारा मैसेज कंप्लीट कंटेंट ऑफ अ फाइल विल रिटर्न टू यू, यानी सारे सबको स्ट्रिंग बना के आपको देगा. तो वो स्ट्रिंग मैंने मैसेज एक वेरिएबल में सेव करवा लिया. देन आई प्रिंट द मैसेज वेरिएबल. ओके, So now let's run it and check that whether uh, it will working or not. Okay, so let me save the program and let me run the code. Okay, let me check whether this file name is exactly same or not. So just going to the name of file, ABC. Okay, I think there is a issue in a abc.txt.txt. So let me do one thing. Let me erase that file and let me create a new file in a text mode, abc. Okay, abc. Okay, this is a file and writing again, hello class. This is Python. Okay. So now we will move to the our example again and try to run the code now. It executed hello class. This is a Python. That means we are able to read the content from a file. Okay. These are the two things you have to remember. But how the content we are reading the whole content as a string. If you try to print the type of a message, for example, print, you want to know what is the message, what is the type of a message, type and type of message. Message is a variable in which we are getting the data from a file. Okay, message, and I
Yes.
will run the program again, and you will observe that it is a class string str. Mean that mean message is a variable and which is technically a string. I will write, this is an important point to remember, message is a string.